What happens when the world's smartest AI runs out of power? On February 27, 2026, the industry hit a breaking point. While investors cheered a $110 billion capital injection, the physical grid began to buckle. This isn't just about cloud storage, it is the new oil war. But while the West struggles with regulations, Asia is building the engine of the future. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the data center market is projected to reach $430.18 billion by 2026, growing at a massive CAGR of 11.06%. This growth is fueled by a single, voracious demand: generative AI. We are moving from simple storage to high-density compute factories. While North America holds the legacy market share, the APAC region is capturing the growth, driven by massive investments in sovereign AI infrastructure. The headlines from February 2026 prove this shift. First, the Tata Group has partnered with OpenAI to build a gigawatt-scale infrastructure back.
The Tata Group is establishing India's first large-scale AI-optimized data center, purpose-built for the next generation AI training and inference. I'm very happy to announce that we have partnered with OpenAI to build the first 100 megawatt capacity, which will scale to 1 gigawatt.
They're solving the industry's biggest problem: accessing green power at scale to feed AI models without crashing the civilian grid. Meanwhile, L&T Viam has signed a massive deal in Gujarat, committing billions to create a sovereign cloud capability for the region. This brings us to the major technological breakthrough of the year: liquid cooling at scale. The biggest bottleneck in the AI era is heat and power. Traditional air cooling cannot handle the density of modern AI chips. Innovators are deploying immersion cooling, reducing energy consumption by 40%. This allows high-density compute in regions with hot climates, like India and Southeast Asia. This tech is the key reason why the APAC region is attracting billions, bypassing the power constraints that are stalling projects in Europe. The data center market is no longer about real estate. It is about energy, efficiency, and sovereign AI. To understand the full scope of this $430 billion shift, read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in the description. Thank you for watching.